You must have heard the names Aditya Birla, Nainalal Kidwai, Piyush Goyal, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, K.R. Rahman. These are some of the top chartered accountant professionals in India. They are running their enterprises effectively, professionally. They are the corporate honkos. Hello everybody. Hello dear students and parents. My name is Mohammad Yusuf Khan. Through 10 points, I'm going to discuss today why chartered accountancy career is so important, why it is at par with other careers in commerce. Point number 1. Ask an engineering student, a medical student, from which college did you graduate? He might give you a name which you are hearing the very first time. Maulana Azad Medical College, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, these are the top medical colleges in India, and they have a different grade. And a medical college in some remote area in India might have a very low grade. There are hundreds of different colleges. There are hundreds of engineering colleges, medical colleges, under central university, under state universities, and they have different grades. So, a medical student passing from Maulana Azad Medical College, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, may have a grade quite high than a medical student passing from some unknown remote college in India. But you ask a CA student, from which college did you pass out? Which college gives you a CA degree? Which university provides you CA degree? He will say, I passed out from the college from which Aditya Birla did pass out, from which Nainalal Kidwai did pass out, from which Rakesh Jhunjhunwala did pass out. I also passed out from that same college. And that same college, same university is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. So, dear students and parents, when there is only one college, one university providing CA degree, then it takes a lot of pride, lot of power, lot of credibility as well. Only one college, ICAI, provides CA degrees to the students. Point number 2. When was our constitution passed out? When was our constitution enacted? 1950? Yes. When was the CA Act passed out in the parliament? 1st July 1949. In almost a year before the constitution was enacted. Got it? Point number 3. India's CA professionals, just go to the Google and check it for yourself. India's CA professionals are counted in top 5 chartered accountant professionals in the world. So when you are a CA, so you feel pride that I am among the top chartered accountant professionals of the world. Point number 4. What is the duration of a CA course, sir? Duration of a CA course is 5 years. And is extendable to even 10 years for students who are not so sharp, for students who might have some family problems, who might have some financial problems, because of which they are not able to pursue their course regular basis. They are not able to finish off their course in the 5 years. So they can extend their course duration beyond 5 years up to 6, 7, 8, even 10 years. I have in my alumni students who passed out CA course in just 5 years, and they worked in world's big 4 companies. And I also have in my list students who passed out and in 8 years, and even there are some students still, and they are doing their CA in their 10th year. So depending on the level, depending on the circumstances, your financial conditions you are passing through, you can extend your CA course from 5 to 6, 7, 8 years. And nobody is going to ask you at the end. At the end, when you have a CA degree in your hand, no one asks you. Nowhere it is written you passed it out in 7 years, 8 years. Next point. Point number 5. How much an engineering college charges from a student? 3 to 5 lakh. What about a medical college? 5 to 8 lakh for the entire course. And what about a CA college, CA institute, ICAI? How much ICAI charges for the 5 years CA course? So dear sir, for the 5 years CA course, starting from the CA foundation to the CA inter, group 1, group 2, CA final, every stage you go through, every exam you appear in, every orientation program you appear for, the total amount of fees that you pay to the ICI body is approximately 85,000 in 5 years. So cheap in comparison to engineering and medical colleges. 85,000 is the total amount of fees that you pay to ICI in the entire 5 years duration. Fine. Point number 6. CA exams foundation, which is called as CA foundation, is the entrance exam. Inter, group 1, group 2, final. All the CA exams of every stage are held twice a year, in May and in November of the year. So if a student is unable to clear a group, an exam, so he can reapply it, reappear it just after 6 months. He has not to wait for the entire year. So at the max, he has to go for another six months. So this is again a benefit for the students who don't want to waste their 1 year. In all the engineering, medical colleges, in all other courses, you have to reappear after a year if you fail in an exam, if you are unable to clear an exam. Point number 7. Point number 7 is about CA entrance exam, which is called as CA foundation. If a student appears in CA entrance exam, which is called as CA foundation, he has to score just 50% in the exam. So if he scores 50%, he is through with and he becomes the student of CA. What about exams conducted by engineering, medical and other competitive exams? They have this limited number of seats and their exam selection pattern is on the basis of merit. Top 200 students will be selected for college A. Top 300 students will be selected for college B. So top 200 will be selected, and there are students in engineering medical entrance exams who score much more above 50, but they are not selected in the colleges they aspire for. Reason? There is the merit system. So for CA foundation, there is no merit system. You have to just score 50% and you are through with the entrance exam. You become the CA student. Point number 8. Hello, what is the starting salary of a chartered accountant? Chartered accountant starts with 50 to 60,000 per month minimum. 50 to 60,000 per month minimum, a very handsome amount of salary in this time when there is high rate of unemployment, when there are engineering students who are not getting even 20,000 a month starting. So a chartered accountant gets 50 to 60,000 per month. Point number 9. If you have an acumen of a businessman, if you have a streak of entrepreneurship, if you want to set up your empire, so from the day one you can start your own business. You can provide consultancy in taxes. You can provide consultancy in audit. You can start audit of the firms. So start your entire business from the day one itself. Nobody is going to ask yourself. You don't want to do job, you want to set up your own business, you can set up your own business. But for the students who don't have their business background, they don't have family as a business background, I would prefer that they should first at least do a job for 2 to 3 years. And if at all they want to start their own business, then first do the job for 2 to 3 years and then they should start their business. They should set up a firm, a CA firm. So starting a CA firm, you can provide consultancy in taxes, in other financial matters, in investment, and do the audits of the firms. You know how it feels when a team of chartered accountant professionals goes to a firm and does the audit of that firm. It feels I mean, very proud. Point number 10. Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, ICAI, has tied up with many universities in India and has made CA as equivalent to masters for those universities. So if you want to pursue PhD, so CA is considered equivalent to masters to apply for PhD and pursue for PhD courses. So my dear students, dear parents, these were 10 most interesting, understandable, comprehensive points which should strike your mind. So dear students, if you are from commerce background, if you are from commerce background, and if you have passion, willpower, if you want to do something for yourself, for your parents, for the society, if you want to make a name for yourself, if you want to do something for the country, if you want to become a professional, a zabardast professional and a sincere contributing citizen, CA is an important career waiting for you. Come forward, come forward. Me and the entire team with you will stand and make you understand how to appear for CA Foundation, how to clear your CA Foundation exam, how to clear your CA Inter Group 1, Group 2 CA Final exam. We will stand by you at each level, at each platform, so that you are through with your CA Final and you contribute to the society. Thank you. We'll be glad to have you with us.